the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see.
So I did go ahead and do my brows just to save time when I'm talking, because y'all know I can't multitask when it comes to my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the eye. I am taking a little bit of this brow gel, this clear brow gel from LA Colors, and I'm just gonna put that on here very softly. Next, guys, I'm gonna go into I'm going into my eyes. I'm just gonna take some LA Girl concealer. This is Toffee, and I'm basically gonna start creating a base. Go ahead and set this, and I'm going to use my Airspun, the extra translucent one. And I'm literally just going to dab a little bit. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm using this Fake Up Fix palette. Now, everybody probably seen this all over like Instagram and Facebook, and I've obviously swatched it, but I actually never used it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this palette a try since I haven't used it before, and I'm going for like a pinkish look. So pray for me. Let's hope that this palette actually works. I think it's blending out pretty nicely. The true test is when you add other colors, which I will be doing, to see when you blend it, do it get like muddy? If it don't, we might have found ourselves a little jewel here, girl. Okay, so next I'm going to this darker, I don't know, like cherry color. That one, so that I could really concentrate it. And I'm trying to stay away from browns in this eye look, because I feel like I use brown for like every eye look. I feel like it just completes the look for me. So for this one, I'm going to attempt not to use brown. So far so good. Still not looking like a hot mess. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is try to cut me just a small crease. I'm not gonna bring it all the way over, maybe like 3/4 of the way, or maybe half. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and use that LA Girl concealer in Toffee. I'm going back into my palette, and this time I'm going to take this color underneath. There was quite a bit of fallout out of here. I just kind of blew most of it away, but it does. But it was a cheap palette, so you know, I got it offline. You know, you can't expect a little too much from them, but overall, everything is looking so good. It's looking pretty good. I ain't mad at it. It's like, okay, V-Time look, okay, Valentine's Day, okay. I don't know how you're supposed to use this glitter. Seems pretty pigmented, but I don't know. I don't know if I use my brush or my hand, so I guess we gotta figure that out. Okay, so I just put a little bit of glue on it. I'm gonna let that get a little tacky. Alright guys, just the way that I'm applying it, because I've tried to use my hand and then I did this eye with glue and this eye without glue. But yeah, I don't think you actually need glue for this because I think that glue kind of moved around and it made it look thin on this side. So yeah, I probably won't be using glue with this one. And it kind of feels like it has like a, it's not sticky, but I feel like it has like a sticky type of texture where it kind of like just sticks to your hand, where you wouldn't actually need a glue. Okay, so if you can see, I skipped that inner corner. I am gonna go in with this silver now, the silver shade here. I'm just gonna add that to the inner corners. I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner. This is the e.l.f. liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this mink lash. Anyways, so let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna chat and we're gonna put on some clothes because we're about to slay this Valentine's Day. I did go ahead and use my face. I used the Estee Lauder foundation, which it gotta be my summer color because this thing is dark, like really, really dark. Or maybe I just bought the wrong color. And then I highlighted with the LA Girl and Warm Honey. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush, which I'm using MAC Breezy. I feel like it's just the perfect one for this look, actually. She could be a little intimidating, but don't be intimidated by her, girl. She's beautiful. All right. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collaboration. Tay got me this for my birthday, and I've been waiting for the right time to use it. And I mean, Valentine's Day, right? Like, the perfect time to use it. So, her packaging was bomb, like, bomb. If I could get it out the bag, but yeah, so it's so cute. I got little bronze. So pretty, y'all. Y'all, she is stunning. Look at her. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm just about to overdose, so don't be telling me that's too much highlighter because I need y'all to see me from Jupiter. Okay, so I was thinking about doing a light lip, but now I'm thinking about just actually throwing this lip on. Let's see. It's gonna be a little dramatic, but I mean, it's Valentine's Day. And this is the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in Berry Boost. She's so gorgeous. She might be a bit much for this look though. And I'm gonna go in with Nude Trio, like right on top. Right in the middle. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the face, I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the outfit. Let's go.